Same questions with multiple attempts, multiple students. मैम, if CA क्लियर भी हो जाता है, पैकेज एंड जॉब अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा, क्या पॉइंट है? फ्यूचर तो एनीवेज अब अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, करियर इज नॉट गोइंग गुड, बहुत पीछे रह गए लाइफ में. पॉज. इफ यू आर अ मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट स्टूडेंट्स एंड आपको भी ये कंसर्न हमेशा रहता है कि आप सीए बनने के बाद जॉब अट्रैक्ट करोगे कि नहीं, या फिर आपका अच्छा पैकेज मिलेगा कि नहीं. आई एम हियर टू क्लियर दिस मिथ अराउंड सो दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम whenever you are with your books, you don't bother yourself with something related to future, with something which is not under your control, with something which is not going to ruin your future, ruin your career at all. Based on my experience and after mentoring many CA students, honestly, I have more students who are multiple attempts. And in today's time, most of them are already chartered accountants. And trust me, they have a good career. They have started with their own practice, or they have attracted the job which they were looking for. Yeah. One thing I want you all to accept mentally, if you have taken more than 3 attempts, for this life now, being a chartered accountant, you are not going to get job in Big Four India. It's not going to happen. But only 4 companies are excluded from your career list. You have globally all other companies open to get into the job, to attract that packages. Now let me break this down. Suppose आप CA clear कर लिए होते in the first attempt itself or max 2-3 attempts. How your career would have looked like? You would have started with a job with a package of 12 lakh to 15 lakh. When you are going for interview, you would hold that confidence and that pride. I am the first attempt chartered accountant. You would have hold that confidence, that self-worth, right? Rest, you would have either been in any of the Big Four India, या आपका जो भी ड्रीम रहा होगा जिसके लिए आप कॉन्फिडेंट रहते मेंटली कि दिस इज समथिंग यू वांट एंड ये आपको मिल जाएगा. अब होता क्या है, व्हेन यू आर इनटू अ मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स, आपका ये कॉन्फिडेंस, आपका खुद पे विश्वास, ये सारा कुछ वैनिश होने लगता है. एंड एज दिस स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग वैनिश, आपके अंदर जो फियर है ना ऑफ मिसिंग आउट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, of not able to present yourself well in the interview, of doubting yourself, अपना वर्थ को इंटरव्यू के पहले लो कर लेना कि यार आप तो अटेम्प्ट वाले हो, यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, ये सारा कुछ सोचते हुए ना आप अपने ऑरा को, एनर्जी को बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हो, वीक कर लेते हो. यही आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है. इट्स नॉट द अटेम्प्ट. अटेम्प्ट में सिर्फ एक ही ड्रॉबैक है, आपको बिग फोर इंडिया नहीं मिलेगा, एंड विच इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोफेशन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी इज you have multiple domains: direct tax, indirect tax, finance, FP&A, investment, banking, and many more diverse domains where just you can start working no matter how much attempt you took. But आपका ना नॉलेज स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. अटेम्प्ट इज नॉट ओनली द प्राइमरी कंसर्न. अगर आपके पास प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर नहीं है एंड यू डिड नॉट डू आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम अ वेरी बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इससे भी मैटर नहीं करेगा आपका फर्स्ट जॉब. There can be multiple things which is negatively impacting your preparation. Whenever you sit with your books, you start getting worried about the job and the package. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग यू, जितने भी मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट स्टूडेंट्स रहे हैं इन माई मेंटरिंग, एक भी स्टूडेंट नहीं है हु इज अनएम्प्लॉयड. एवरीवन हैज अ जॉब, एवरीवन हैज अ पैकेज. व्हेन आई क्लियर्ड इन 2022, which was my 14th attempt now, I and along with me there were 2 other girls who also took nearly 8 attempts. They applied for campus placement and I did not. 2 of them got selected in the campus placement in 3 of the organizations. 2 was Big Four GDS and third one was banking sector. The package which they attracted was 10 lakh rupees, despite the fact they were multiple attempts. And when it comes to me, I did not apply for campus placement. Reason was I had a lot of self-doubt and also I carried a lot of shame with me that with so many attempts, I don't know how will I present myself in interview. And I kept on losing opportunities after qualifying CA also because of my own self-doubt, shame, and lack of confidence. I had interviewed more than 10 companies, but due to my own limiting beliefs, I appeared only for 5, and out of 5, I got offer letter from 3 of the company. It was not the attempt which really mattered. What mattered during the interview was how confident I am with my knowledge, with my resume. अपने रेज्यूम को ना स्ट्रॉन्ग जरूर करना, अपने स्किल्स पे काम करो. अगर आपको अटेम्प्ट्स लग रहा है तो स्किल डिफाइन करेगा कि आप कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ पर्सन हो. सी फैक्ट इज ना, जो भी सीए फर्टर्निटी को बिलोंग करते हैं, दे नो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द करिकुलम दैट नॉट everyone will clear their exam in first attempt. हर अटेम्प्ट का पास परसेंटेज 6% to 10% होता है, and everyone has a different story. You need to first accept your failure. Second, you need to have belief कि अगर आपको अटेम्प्ट्स लगा है एंड फिर भी आप वो एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो टू सक्सीड इन इट, आपको सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद nobody can stop to attract a good job. It comes to package, maybe 1-2 lakh आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा अपने अटेम्प्ट्स के कारण, बट नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट. तो ये सारे थॉट से, फियर से बाहर निकलो राइट नाउ. मैटर नहीं करेगा आपके लिए आने वाले टाइम पे वंस यू क्वालिफाई कि आप कितने अटेम्प्ट्स के साथ ये प्रोफेशन को अब आगे लेके जा रहे हो. योर ओन कॉन्फिडेंस, power, and a resilience attitude is enough to move ahead and excel in your career. You still have things under your control. Instead of wasting time worrying about your future, right now take action for your exam. जब तक डिग्री नहीं आएगा ना, nothing will change. Nothing can happen before you get that prefix CA before your name. So slow down your thought whenever you go into that overthinking about the future. I did this mistake when I was preparing, so I am here to send you a warning alarm. Don't do this mistake. And after appearing for the last paper, you have a lot of time to sit and worry about your job. तब कर लेना, but उसका जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. ये वीडियो के बाद अपने अंदर ये इंस्टॉल कर लो. आप जिस दिन CA बन जाओगे and you choose to opt for job, you will have good opportunities globally. You will have a package of minimum 10 lakh rupees. Third, it is you have to trust divine's plan. If God has tested you in clearing the exam, has a job for you in future. Right now, he is testing you emotionally, mentally, and it is making you learn the lessons of life. But it's not that your future is just going to be a waste. Your future is going to be dark. That is not true. जब हम फेल होते हैं हमें ऐसा फील होता है nothing is good either in the present nor we can find anything good in the future. But it is not how life works. Life is a balance. अभी अगर आप stuck हो, definitely once you cross this journey and qualify the exam, जिस दिन रिजल्ट आएगा ना, उसके बाद throughout the life you will be the proudest person, not before everyone's eyes but in your eyes. You will at least look at yourself, smile, congratulate and say, despite life has tested you, you did win this challenge, you did pass through this struggle. Again, accept your failure, believe in yourself, have faith. CA बनने के बाद आपको जॉब मिलेगा एंड अच्छे पैकेज के साथ मिलेगा. अर्निंग 1 lakh will be the minimum standard for your life. Stay connected, do continue with your preparation with full of energy and motivation. Whenever you feel low, whenever you doubt your future, just pause and remind yourself, if so many chartered accountants with multiple attempts can start their professional journey, get the job, start their own practice, why can't I? So will I, and it is possible. Everything is possible.
You know, the worst part about failing is not the result itself, but somewhere deep down knowing the fact you failed because of your own habits. I'm talking about procrastination, overthinking, getting distracted by every little thing, not being able to say no when you needed to, inconsistency, and skipping those test series or daily targets that you know were very important. I have been there too. And here's what nobody talks about. These habits don't just affect our performance, they create anxiety. I remember lying awake at night with my syllabus pending, that constant fear sitting on my chest every time. The loneliness of studying alone with nobody to check on me, nobody to ask, how are you really doing? It's isolating now. It's overwhelming. And honestly, it breaks us from inside. I lived through this for 7 years, every single day of it. But my story was created by Divine's plan to prepare me, to mentor, guide all those students who are struggling in their journey. I have lived, I have felt that, and now I have launched a mentorship program designed to save you from repeating same mistakes I made.